Hello, good morning. I'll be showing you how to open the chamber. This is the chamber to access the burr for a Mazzer SuperJolly B Pro. So the first thing is, what you need is a cup to place all the parts so that you won't lose it, a satay stick or a toothpick, and Allen key. So the first step is you need to open this plastic thing that hides the Allen key. You can use a screwdriver to open it, but I find that this metal bit actually damages the plastic, so it may not look as nice. So if you use a satay stick which is made of bamboo, it's softer, so it does not damage the plastic bit. So you open it like this. Yep, it looks like this. So this plastic bit actually covers the Allen key, or the hole for the Allen key, so your ground coffee doesn't go into it and clog up everything. So open it up one by one. So the first time when you open this, it may be a bit tighter. After you open a few times, and it gets a bit softer and easier to open. Next is you need an Allen key to open the Allen key screw. It looks like this. Once you remove all the Allen keys, you can remove the entire top part of the grinder. It looks like this. Slowly remove it, and once you remove, you can see this is the upper burr, this is the lower burr, as some people call it blade. So how do you know whether the burr is sharp or not? You can run your finger over the burr just like this. You see that it doesn't cut my hand, so that means that the burr is now blunt, so you may want to change the burr. If the burr is sharp, you should not be able to run your finger on it like that before it cut you. Yep, just like that. And if the burr is blunt, you probably need to replace the burr. This is a Mazzer burr replacement part. Only use original parts if you can. It looks like this. It comes with a nice Mazzer box with a nice packaging, and it has plastic protection. Remove that. They have a small plastic bit to protect it. It has mineral oil, and you can see it's covered in mineral oil. Don't worry, it's edible mineral oil. The mineral oil protects the burr so that it can last for years without rusting away. This is made of high quality carbon steel. It should not rust. Do not wash it with soap. So this is a replacement burr. It should come in two pieces. One for the bottom part, which is like this, and one which is a top part. You can see the top burr. This is the bottom burr. So if you like to clean your grinder, what you can do is you can take a satay stick or something, and slowly dig the holes of this. You can see that there's some parts here which is old coffee, so you can slowly dig it just like that. Okay, do not take a brush and clean it like that, because you want your blade to be sharp. So if you use a brush and just brush it, you may cause your blade or your burr to be blunt. So you do not want to brush it like that. What you want to do is you want to take a stick and slowly, dig up the old coffee, just like that. This will take some time. So once you remove a little bit of the ground coffee, you can check whether the blade is in good condition or not. You can check it just by observing eyesight. If there is any dent or any problems, you should be able to see it. You can also dig up all these excess coffees everywhere else. You know, once you remove all the coffee, this is how you clean the chamber. This is the chamber, and this is how you clean. This is how you clean the burr. It is recommended to clean the burr once every 3 to 6 months. You do not want to clean it too often, because for one thing, the screws for your Allen key, which is this guy, it is a screw. So if you keep taking it in and out, what happens is that the grooves for the screw will wear off. When that happens, it is not good for your grinder. Alright, so you can slowly clean up all this. Once it's done, you are done, and then you can just put it back the same way as I'll show you how to take it out. This is the bottom part of the burr. You can see this. There is a blade here. Okay, it will turn on its own. If you like to clean the bottom burr, what you can do is you can take a stick, dig up all these excess crevices. Alright, I've cleaned the top burr. You can see that it's kind of clean. So what you want to do is you want to remove all the old ground coffee which is stuck to all the crevices and all that. It looks somewhat like that. You do not need to be shiny, you don't need to polish it. Again, do not use a brush to brush the sharp edges. You want to remove the ground coffee from the crevices, and once you've done that, check one more time if the blade is still sharp. Yeah, it's still quite sharp.
Goodbye, and please subscribe. Goodbye, and please subscribe. Goodbye.